every beep, tone, and new sound you hear travels from the ear to registering in your brain. But what actually happens in your brain when you listen to a continuous stream of sounds? A new study from Aarhus University and University of Oxford reveals that the brain doesn't simply register sound, it dynamically reshapes its organization in real time, orchestrating a complex interplay of brainwaves in multiple networks. The research introduces a novel neuroimaging method called frequeness. Using advanced algorithms, this method disentangles overlapping brain networks based on the dominant frequency. Once a network is identified by its unique frequency, the method can then trace how it propagates in space across the brain. We're used to thinking of brainwaves like fixed stations, alpha, beta, gamma, and of brain anatomy as a set of discrete regions, says Dr. Rosso. But what we see with frequentness is much richer. It is long known that brain activity is organized through activity in different frequencies, turned both internally and to the environment. Starting from this fundamental principle, we've designed a method that finds how each frequency is expressed across the brain.